SRGMs.
Hello. I'm sure all of you have used these disposable spoons and thrown them off after use. Today, I'm going to use them to make some characters like these. Aren't they cute? And they're really simple to make. All you need is some wooden spoons, some patterned paper. You can even create your own patterns if you want. Some wool, pipe cleaners, some tape, some colored pens, and of course glue and scissors, and some stickers or accessories that you can use to decorate your little figures. Okay, to begin with, let's cut the patterned paper into a triangle, like this. It's a simple enough triangle with its head cut off, and just check that it fits on the spoon. Perfect. Now, draw the eyes. Use a thin black pen for this. And the mouth. Let's give it some cheeks. If you're making a man, you could make a mustache also if you like. Draw the legs and a pair of shoes, like this. Let's give her matching blue shoes. There you go. Now, let's take this little dress and use glue to stick it like this. Just a bit of glue and put it on here. There you go. Now while this is sticking, let's take the wool and roll it up around your hand like this, around your fingers, about this much, and go round and round about 8 to 10 times. Cut it off. Hold it in the middle and tie it up here. Like this. This is what you should have, a bundle of wool like this. And then you stick it here. You stick it on this with glue. There you go. You can have the hair a little longer or a shorter as you want. You can accessorize by giving a pair of earrings maybe, like this. And then take the pipe cleaner, measure it like this approximately for the hands and cut it here. Make it into a small triangle like this. Just fold it in the center and turn the spoon around and stick it with some tape. There you go. Your doll is ready. I also had some stickers with shirts on them, so I made a little boy doll also. And if you want to use a ladle like this to make a bigger character, you can do that with more detailing. You can make clothes out of paper or cloth, make accessories like necklace, earrings too. Here we have 2 ladle friends also. And here are our spoon friends.
SRGMs.